everyone, Avrey Charles here, and today I want to share with you my latest project, the coin spinner. It's the second production at Buildbox, designed by the awesome Mark Romer. Inside this kit, there's everything you need to build your very own coin spinner.
We got spinner bases, wood pieces, coin holders, rivets, elastic cords, rubber bands, coins, and more.
I started carefully by following the step-by-step instructions. But what's cool? Well, is the pro tips included within the kit. It's like explaining what a ratchet is and why it's important. It's like getting a mini engineering lesson while having fun building. I tested the spinner several times, adjusting the tension of the rubber bands and playing around with the variables. My coins are actually halfway.
It was awesome to see how these small changes affected the way the coin spun.
And ta-da! After some trial and error, I finally got my coin spinning just the way I wanted. It's so cool to think and build like an engineer. I had a blast with this project, and I'm looking forward to more crunch-up projects in the future. Remember, engineering is all about creativity, problem solving, and having fun along the way.